If you're planning to buy a drone in 2026, this video will save you money and regret. Today, I'll break down the top 5 best drones you can buy right now, whether you're a beginner, travel vlogger, cinematic creator, or FPV action lover. We'll cover performance, camera quality, flight time, who it's best for, and whether it's actually worth your money. Please stay until the end. My top pick is the best overall drone for most people. Let's get started. First up is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which is one of the most balanced drones on the market right now. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids registration requirements in many countries, making it extremely beginner-friendly and travel-ready. Despite its small size, it delivers impressive 4K video quality with strong dynamic range and sharp detail, making it ideal for YouTube creators and travel filmmakers. It features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, which greatly improves safety during flight. This is especially useful for beginners who are still learning drone controls. The battery life is solid, typically giving you around 30 to 34 minutes per charge depending on conditions. It also includes intelligent flight modes like active track and automated cinematic shots, allowing even new users to capture professional-looking footage. If you want a lightweight, powerful, and future-proof drone without stepping into high-end pricing territory, this is easily one of the safest choices in 2026. If you're new to drones and don't want to spend a lot of money, the HOLYSTONE HS720G is a solid entry-level option. It offers GPS-assisted flight, which improves stability and makes it easier to control compared to very cheap toy drones. The camera quality is decent for the price range. While it won't match DJI or Autel in sharpness or dynamic range, it's good enough for casual videos and learning purposes. Flight time is respectable for a budget drone, usually around 20 to 25 minutes depending on conditions. It also includes return-to-home functionality, which adds an extra layer of safety for beginners. Build quality is decent and durable enough for practice sessions. This drone is ideal for someone who wants to learn how to fly before investing in a premium model. If you're on a tight budget but still want GPS stability and reliable performance, this is a practical starting point. Next is the DJI Air 3, which is built for creators who want more flexibility and higher production value. One of its standout features is the dual camera system, which allows you to switch between different focal lengths for more cinematic storytelling. This makes it perfect for landscape shots, travel films, and professional content creation. Compared to mini drones, it offers better wind resistance and stability, which is important for outdoor shooting in less than perfect conditions. Flight time is also impressive, often reaching around 40 minutes depending on usage. The video quality is sharp and detailed, with smooth color reproduction and excellent stabilization. It also includes advanced obstacle sensing, smart tracking modes, and automated flight paths. If you're serious about content creation and want near-professional results without paying flagship prices, the DJI Air 3 offers an excellent balance of performance, portability, and advanced features. If you're looking for speed, immersion, and dynamic movement, the DJI AVATA 2 delivers a completely different flying experience. This is an FPV drone, meaning you fly using first-person view goggles for a fully immersive perspective. Unlike traditional drones that focus on stable aerial shots, the AVATA 2 is designed for action. It can perform smooth dives, fast turns, and cinematic movements that look incredible for sports videos, adventure travel, and social media content. Despite being an FPV drone, it still includes safety features such as stabilization and emergency braking, making it more beginner-friendly compared to custom-built FPV setups. The camera delivers smooth, stabilized footage even during aggressive maneuvers. Battery life is shorter than traditional drones, but that's expected with FPV performance. If you want viral, high-energy footage that stands out from typical drone videos, this is the one to choose. Finally, the POTENSIC Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone, which offers a strong balance of portability and performance for beginners and casual creators. Its lightweight design under 249 grams makes it easy to carry and suitable for travel without regulatory hassle in many regions. Additionally, the Fly More combo provides excellent value with 3 batteries, a parallel charging hub, and a carrying case. The included 64GB microSD card is also a thoughtful bonus, allowing users to start recording immediately without extra purchases. In terms of performance, the drone features a Sony CMOS sensor capable of shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even in moderate wind conditions. Moreover, the 6-kilometer transmission range with PicSync 3.0 technology delivers a reliable connection and responsive control. Visual tracking and quickshots modes such as rocket, circle, and boomerang make it easy to capture cinematic shots. As a result, even beginners can produce professional-looking aerial videos with minimal effort. Battery life is another major highlight. With up to 96 minutes of total flight time using 3 batteries, users can enjoy extended flying sessions. Fast parallel charging further enhances convenience. In conclusion, this drone is a reliable and beginner-friendly option that combines solid camera quality, smart features, and long flight time at a competitive value. For more honest product reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss a video.